Hello everyone. Today let's have a look at the Protos 4400 modular transmitter by Conic. The Protos 4400 is a 4-wire transmitter capable of accepting up to 3 different input, output, or bus communication modules. When used with MemoSense digital sensors, up to 4 measurement channels can be monitored simultaneously. Class 1 Division 2 approval is also available for use of the Protos 4400 in hazardous areas. Let's take a look at what's inside the box when you receive your Protos transmitter. As you can see, the base unit consists of our main display and keypad, which is connected to the main housing, which includes our power and output terminals. Then we have our test report, followed by a handy installation guide and safety guide. 2 different IP65 rated housing options are available. A powder-coated steel housing, which we have here, as well as a polished stainless steel housing for use in hygienic applications. As mentioned, a number of different input and output modules are available for the Protos, which can be freely added via this communication interface. If we have a look at the back of the front faceplate, we'll see a slot available for inserting a memory card. This can be used for recording measured data as well as performing a firmware update. Moving over to the terminals on our base unit, let's review from right to left. Dependent upon the Protos version you have purchased, different power supplies are available. The general purpose version, which we have here, can be powered from 24 volts DC up to 230 volts AC at terminals 18 and 19, which are polarity insensitive. Terminals 14 through 17 are designated for connecting to ground. Next, at terminals 11 through 13, we have 2 digital inputs available. These inputs allow for different parameter sets or NMOR function check to be activated via a control signal. Next to the digital inputs are our 2 active 4 to 20 milliamp analog outputs. These are located at terminals 7 through 10 and are labeled as I1 and I2. It's important to note that additional outputs can be added to your Protos by use of an output extension module. Finally, rounding out the terminals on our base module are 4 relay contacts at terminals 1 through 6. 3 of these relays are freely definable for functionality such as high and low level detection, as well as assignment for activating a wash cycle. The 4th relay at terminals 5 and 6 is dedicated for alarm notification. Let's close up the transmitter and connect the power. The Protos has a bright backlit LCD graphical display, along with simple status icons which follow the NMOR standard. On the keypad we have 3 function keys as well as 4 arrows for navigation through the menu selection and data entry. We also have 2 soft keys at the top which are customizable for secondary displays as well as access to the popular favorites menu. Finally, we see 2 LEDs for notification of alarm as well as the device being powered on. Please continue to learn more about how to perform simple programming by watching our next video on setup and configuration of the Conic Protos 4400 transmitter.